Hey there, dog lovers. Welcome back to Yingy. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking to adopt a furry companion to add to your family. But with so many different dog breeds out there, it can be challenging to decide which breed is the best fit for you. In this video, we'll be sharing how to choose the ideal dog breed for your family. Before we dive into the different ways to choose a dog breed, it's essential to understand that finding the right breed is more than just picking one that looks cute. You'll need to consider several factors, such as your lifestyle, energy level, living space, budget, and personal preferences. Let's dive into the first way to choose the perfect dog breed. Consider your lifestyle. When choosing a dog breed, it's important to think about your lifestyle and what kind of dog would fit in best. For example, if you're an active person who enjoys hiking and spending time outdoors, you may want to consider a breed like a Labrador Retriever or Australian Shepherd that is known for its energy and love of exercise. On the other hand, if you work long hours and have a more sedentary lifestyle, a breed like a Basset Hound or English Bulldog may be a better fit. By considering your lifestyle, you can choose a breed that will be happy and healthy in your home. Look at your living space. Another important factor to consider when choosing a dog breed is your living space. If you live in a small apartment with no yard, a breed like a Great Dane or Bernese Mountain Dog may not be a good fit due to their large size and exercise requirements. Instead, you may want to consider a smaller breed like a Pug or Chihuahua that can thrive in a smaller space. If you do have a yard, you'll want to consider the size of your yard and choose a breed that won't feel cramped or bored in that space. Think about your family. If you have children or plan on having children in the future, it's important to choose a dog breed that is good with kids. Breeds like Golden Retrievers, Beagles, and Boxers are known for their love of children and make great family pets. However, it's important to note that even the most kid-friendly breeds may not be a good fit if they are not properly trained and socialized. You'll also want to consider the age of your children and choose a breed that is patient and gentle with kids of all ages. By considering your family's needs, you can choose a breed that will be a beloved member of your family for years to come. Before we proceed further, I hope you found this information helpful and that it helps you keep your feline or furry friend happy and comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more pet-related content. But let's get back to the topic, how to choose the ideal dog breed for your family. Consider your allergies. For individuals with allergies, it's important to choose a breed that is hypoallergenic or produces less dander. Breeds like Poodles, Bicon Frises, and Yorkshire Terriers are known for being hypoallergenic and are a great choice for individuals with allergies. However, it's important to note that no breed is completely allergy-free, so it's important to spend time around the breed before making a decision. Proper grooming and cleaning can help reduce allergens in the home. Look at your budget. Owning a dog can be expensive, so it's important to consider the cost of owning a dog before choosing a breed. Some breeds are more expensive than others due to their size, grooming requirements, or health issues. Let me give you a typical example. Breeds like the Poodle and Shih Tzu require frequent grooming, which can be costly. Some breeds are prone to certain health issues, which may require expensive veterinary care. Make sure you take your budget into consideration. Choose a breed that is affordable and won't break the bank. Think about grooming requirements. Some breeds require more grooming than others, so it's important to consider how much time and effort you are willing to put into grooming your dog. Breeds like the Yorkshire Terrier and Afghan Hound require frequent grooming to maintain their coat, while breeds like the Boxer and Beagle require less grooming. Pay attention to the grooming requirements. You can choose a breed that fits your lifestyle and grooming preferences. Consider your energy level. Your energy level is another important factor to consider when choosing a dog breed. If you have a low energy level, you may want to consider a breed that is more relaxed and doesn't require a lot of exercise. Breeds like the Bulldog and Basset Hound are known for their low energy levels and make great companions for those who prefer a more laid-back lifestyle. On the other hand, if you have a high energy level and enjoy spending time outdoors, a breed like the Border Collie or Australian Cattle Dog may be a better fit. By matching your energy level with a breed that fits your lifestyle, you can ensure that both you and your dog will be happy and fulfilled. Research breed characteristics. Each breed has its own unique characteristics such as temperament, trainability, and energy level. It's important to research these characteristics before choosing a breed to ensure that you are prepared for the specific needs and personality of that breed. For example, some breeds like the Siberian Husky and Alaskan Malamute are known for their independence and can be more difficult to train than other breeds. By researching breed characteristics, you can choose a breed that is a good fit for your personality and lifestyle. Consider breed size. The size of the breed is another important factor to consider when choosing a dog. Large breeds like the Great Dane and Mastiff require more space and exercise than smaller breeds like the Chihuahua and Pomeranian. Larger breeds may have higher food and veterinary costs. Just do not choose any breed size. You can choose a breed that fits your living space, budget, and lifestyle. Think about training needs. Old dogs require some level of training, but some breeds may require more training than others. Breeds like the German Shepherd and Labrador Retriever are known for their trainability and are often used as service dogs, while breeds like the Afghan Hound and Basenji may be more difficult to train. It's important to consider the training needs of a breed before choosing a dog to ensure that you are prepared to provide the necessary training and socialization. Consider your future plans. When choosing a dog breed, it's important to consider your future plans. For example, if you plan on traveling frequently, you may want to choose a breed that is more adaptable to new environments, such as a Cavalier King, Charles Spaniel, or Golden Retriever. Additionally, if you plan on starting a family in the future, you'll want to choose a breed that is good with children and can adapt to the changing dynamics of a family. Look at breed activity level. The activity level of a breed is another important factor to consider when choosing a dog. Some breeds, like the Greyhound and Whippet, are known for their love of running and require regular exercise to maintain their physical and mental health. Other breeds, like the Pug and Bulldog, have lower activity levels and may be content with shorter walks and playtime. Pay attention to breed activity level, then choose a breed that fits your exercise routine and lifestyle. Consider breed health issues. Some breeds are prone to certain health issues, such as hip dysplasia, heart disease, and allergies. It's important to research the health issues that are common in the breed you are interested in and ensure that you are prepared to provide the necessary care and treatment. It may be beneficial to purchase health insurance or set aside a fund for veterinary care to ensure that you can provide the best possible care for your dog. Look at breed lifespan. The lifespan of a breed is another important factor to consider when choosing a dog. Some breeds, like the Chihuahua and Jack Russell Terrier, have longer lifespans, while others, like the Great Dane and Irish Wolfhound, have shorter lifespans. Choose a breed that fits your lifestyle and the amount of time you are willing to commit to caring for your dog. Consider your personal preferences. Ultimately, your personal preferences should play a role in choosing a dog breed. Do you prefer a dog with a short coat that requires minimal grooming or a dog with a long coat that requires regular grooming? Do you prefer a breed that is known for being affectionate and cuddly or a breed that is more independent? These personal preferences can help narrow down your choices and ensure that you choose a breed that you will love and enjoy being around. Choosing the perfect dog breed requires careful consideration of many factors, including your lifestyle, energy level, space, budget, future plans, and personal preferences. By researching different breeds, talking to breeders and other dog owners, and spending time with different breeds, you can find the perfect dog breed that will be a great fit for you and your family. Remember, getting a dog is a big commitment, and it's important to choose a breed that you can provide with the necessary care and attention for its entire lifespan. Good luck on your search, and we hope you find the perfect furry companion to add to your family. Keep an eye out for the upcoming video if you're new to owning a dog or if you're already a seasoned pet parent.